Our top focus, viewers, is the politics that is brewing over former Prime Minister Dr. Singh's funeral. The Congress has accused the Modi government of grave injustice to the departed leader and listed what it calls were shortcomings in the way the last rites were conducted, saying that the legacy and the memory, the family of Dr. Singh was disrespected. The BJP has rejected these charges. Here's the full report.
Manmohan Singh, in public life, was known for his personal integrity, dignified conduct, soft-spoken nature, traits that won him respect and admiration across the political divide. In his death, the former Prime Minister, unfortunately, is at the center of an unsavory political storm. Charges are flying thick and fast over every aspect of the state funeral accorded to the departed leader.
निगमबोध घाट पर कब आपने सुना कि किसी पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री की अंत्येष्टि हुई है? हम कम बोले क्योंकि ऐसा मौका नहीं था। मनमोहन सिंह जी के परिवार के लिए फ्रंट रो में 3 कुर्सियां, उनकी 3 बेटियां हैं, उनकी पत्नी है, उन बेटियों के परिवार हैं। ये कोई पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री को इस तरह का सम्मान देंगे आप?
Where else can you do it other than Nigambodh Ghat? That is the first point. Is there any other ghat you can do it? No, you cannot. If you had to do it in Rajghat to produce a new place with that kind of rain, I am not so sure. The body was brought in at 11 o'clock to the party headquarters. Let's say even if you started the previous evening, you would have had to drain it, erect structures, etc. So I think they are trying to create a controversy where there is room for none.
The Congress claims it had suggested space for memorial, which wasn't considered.
यहां तक बात हुई कि साहब आप शक्ति स्थल से कुछ ले लीजिए जमीन, लेकिन इनको स्मारक वहीं होना चाहिए और अंत्येष्टि वहीं होनी चाहिए जहां स्मारक बनेगा। नहीं माने, क्यों नहीं माने? पूछिए इनसे।
It could have been very easy for Dr. Manmohan Singh, this thing, if he could have provided one of the 2 remaining stops. But no, we received a letter. Mallikarjun Kharge ji said that they want a special memorial to be erected for Dr. Manmohan Singh. The Home Ministry issued a response on a public statement in which they said that the government has agreed to that special site for a memorial to be erected in honor of Dr. Manmohan Singh.
Even the immersion of ashes on Sunday became a flashpoint, with the BJP questioning why no Congress leader was present on the occasion. The Congress on Monday issued a press statement saying party leaders stayed away from the ceremony after discussion with Manmohan Singh's family and out of deference to the family's privacy. While the Grand Old Party accuses Narendra Modi government of injustice to Singh's memory, the BJP leadership has accused the Gandhis of insulting him when he was the Prime Minister.
ये वही कांग्रेस है जिसने पीएम मनमोहन सिंह जी को के ऊपर सुपर पीएम के रूप में मैडम सोनिया गांधी जी को बिठा करके पीएम पद की गरिमा को धूमिल किया। पीएम मनमोहन सिंह जी का अपमान जिस तरह से राहुल गांधी ने अध्यादेश ऑर्डिनेंस को फाड़ करके किया था, इसकी कोई दूसरी मिसाल नहीं दिखने को मिलती है। और आज वही राहुल गांधी पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री स्वर्गीय मनमोहन सिंह जी के मौत पर भी राजनीति कर रहे हैं।
The controversy surrounding Manmohan Singh's last rites is disrespectful to the memory of the former Prime Minister, to say the least. Given the politics on the issue, it remains to be seen how soon the Modi government and the Congress can agree on a fitting memorial to the leader who is credited with launching the economic reforms that transformed India. Bureau Report, India Today.